Okay guys, in this video we're going to be working back on the jet ski. So in the last video, part 7, you guys probably heard Allan talking about how he thought he blew it up. Well, with a little bit more diagnosing, we figured out the problem is right back in here, and it's a simple, easy fix. So if you look down in there, I don't know how well you can see. You see that little flange right there, and then the exhaust flange. So this is like the muffler, I guess. And the little connection between both of them, the rubber hose exploded. So that was the loud pop he heard. And then when it started running rough, it was because it was fuming out the motor in there with fumes. And when he said it was smoking out the top when he took the seat off a lot, it was just basically the exhaust fumes from the exhaust leak from the busted hose. So for 24 bucks, you can't see me. I went and bought the part. So in this video, we're going to be installing the part and getting it running good again. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so I got the new rubber hose right here that I'm going to show you. Here it is, $24 part, and we're going to be throwing it back in. Should be very simple and very quick process, and then she should run like a dime again. Okay, so right down there you can see the two connections that I'm going to be trying to get this new hose on right here. Oh, this is going to be tricky. Okay guys, jet ski's at a different location right now. It's at the storage place. I'm gonna finish working on it here. We got the new hose on, and battery's dead. So now battery's charged up. I took that out and charged it. And yeah, let's get to putting in the new battery. And I was cranking it with the old battery and it wasn't firing up. So I think I'm gonna have to take off the air filter and spray some starter fluid down there also, like they get it started and everything, since it's been sitting for like a couple months, I think, like 2 months now. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'll see you guys when I get all that done. Okay, so I got the battery in, and I'm gonna try and crank it up with the battery the way it is before I take the air filter off the car. Gotta get the key first, of course. So as you can see, we're getting nothing there, so I'm gonna see if I can get it started with some starter fluid. Okay, I just took the carb filter cover off, and I sprayed some starter fluid down in it, so now let's give her a crank and see if she starts. So the jet ski starts now. So, as you can tell, it started. I shut it off and it started again. So I'm gonna give it one more crank to see if it'll start back up. And yeah, I think that's just what these older jet skis need, is just a little bit of starter fluid, you know, to get her going again. But yeah, it's kind of annoying that you have to take the whole like air filter box thing off. Sorry for that abrupt clip change right there. Somebody showed up, so I had to cut the camera. But yeah, jet ski runs. It's sitting right over there. I don't know if you can see it actually. You can't really. There it is, right there. Now you can't really see me. So yeah, jet ski runs. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. I'm gonna hop back out here and start working on the Mustang to get a Mustang video out for you guys. So stay tuned for that one, and see you on the next one. Bye.